Alright, this next problem, example 2, we're adding 4 vectors. This is very similar to, I think it was 5 through 7 on the homework. We have vector A that goes 15 kilometers south. We have vector B after we go 15 kilometers south. Alright, don't forget to add in your directions, north, south, east, west. So we have vector A here. At the end of vector A, we have vector B, which goes west about 8. Okay, try to draw this as proportionally as possible. Okay, that's what a scaled diagram is referred to. We then go 4 north. There's vector C. And then we go 12 east. A little bit further. And that would be vector D. Okay. We started up here and we ended over here. Okay, so we're going to break everything down into component form and use our chart. Now, since we have all these vectors either going north, south, east, or west, we don't have to take any components because none of them are going in 2 directions. They're all just going in 1 direction. So if we looked at vector A goes south 15. So this will be negative 15. It does not go east or west, so that will be 0. Vector B does not go north or south, so that component would be 0. It does go west 8 kilometers. Vector C goes north 4 kilometers and does not go east or west. Vector D goes, vector D goes just to the east and does not go north or south, so that would be 0, and this would be positive 12. Okay, if we look at where we started to where we ended, we draw a line there. This will be coming out in blue. Alright, this would be my resultant vector. Alright, now looking at the components of my resultant, if we go straight down, we take all the south, combine it with all the north, we get 9 total going south, 9 kilometers south going total, and then 4 kilometers to the east. So the 4 kilometers to the east would look something like this, and the 9 kilometers south would look something like this. 9 and 4, km, km. So if we use Pythagorean theorem, we have 4 squared plus 9 squared, and that would be equal to our resultant squared. Square both sides, take the square root. Our resultant magnitude would equal 9.85 kilometers. Okay, now to figure out the direction, I'm going to use this angle here. Okay, measured from the east axis and turning south, so that would be south of east. So this is going to be tangent of my unknown angle theta. I'll mark it in here so you guys can see that. That would be theta. 9 would be opposite to that. 4 would be adjacent, so it would be 9 over 4. If we then take the inverse tangent of both sides, theta would equal tangent to the negative first of 9 over 4. Theta would then equal 66 degrees. So our total answer would be 9.85 kilometers, 66 degrees south of the east axis. Okay, just to recall, you're facing east initially, you turn to the south, and that's how you get south of east. Now, you could also rewrite this correctly, 24 degrees east of south, and that would refer to this angle right here. You initially were facing south and then headed east 24 degrees. So that's another way to get and express that resultant vector. Both are correct, both are acceptable, and that's example problem number 2.